Imagine this. You're at the airport, but the usual travel stress is gone. Instead of a crowded gate, you're relaxing in a luxurious lounge. When it's time to board, you're among the first, gliding down the jet bridge and into a world of comfort. Welcome to first class. Spacious seats, gourmet meals, attentive service. It's an experience that elevates your journey from ordinary to extraordinary. First class is more than just a flight, it's a state of mind. It's about indulging in the finer things, arriving at your destination refreshed and ready to explore. But for many, the high price tag seems out of reach. That's where the magic of airline miles and points comes in. By understanding the ins and outs of these reward systems, you can unlock a world of affordable luxury. Imagine sipping champagne at 30,000 feet, not because you spent a fortune, but because you knew how to travel smarter. That's what we're going to explore together. How to make first class attainable for you, the savvy traveler. Get ready to embark on a journey of luxury without breaking the bank. The allure of first class can feel like a distant dream, especially when you see those ticket prices. But here's the secret. You don't need to be a millionaire to experience it. With the power of airline miles and points, you can turn that dream into a reality. Think of it like this. Every time you spend money, you have an opportunity to earn rewards. By using specific credit cards and making smart travel choices, you can accumulate a treasure chest of miles and points. These rewards become your currency for luxurious flights. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on a first-class ticket, you can redeem your points and fly in style for a fraction of the cost. It might sound too good to be true, but I assure you, it's not. Millions of people use miles and points to travel the world in comfort and style. And the best part? You can too. Ready to embark on your affordable first-class adventure? Here are the essential tools you'll need. First, a travel rewards credit card is your golden ticket. These cards offer sign-up bonuses, which can give you a massive head start on earning points. Plus, you'll earn points on everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. Second, familiarize yourself with airline loyalty programs. Each airline has its own program with unique benefits and redemption options. By understanding the nuances of these programs, you can maximize your point earnings and find the best deals. Finally, flexibility is key. Being open to traveling during off-peak seasons and exploring different destinations will significantly increase your chances of finding award seats. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about travel rewards, the more opportunities you'll unlock. So let's dive deeper and equip you with the knowledge you need to become a points-earning pro. Let's break down the process of booking a first-class flight using miles and points into manageable steps. Step 1. Choose your travel rewards card. Research and select a travel rewards credit card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. Pay attention to sign-up bonuses, earning rates, and any travel perks offered. Step 2. Earn those points. Once you receive your card, use it for as many purchases as possible. Always pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges. Explore bonus categories and limited-time offers to accelerate your point accumulation. Step 3. Explore airline loyalty programs. Identify airlines that fly your desired routes and join their loyalty programs. Familiarize yourself with their earning and redemption charts to understand how to maximize your points. Step 4. The thrill of the search. Use online tools and airline websites to search for award availability for your desired travel dates and destinations. Be flexible with your dates and consider alternative airports to increase your chances of finding seats. Step 5. Book your dream flight. Once you've found available award seats, follow the booking instructions on the airline's website or contact their customer service for assistance. Double-check all details before confirming your booking. Congratulations, you've just booked a luxurious first-class flight using the power of points. Now let's explore some real-world examples to inspire your next adventure. Real-world examples, points in action. Let's bring this concept to life with some concrete examples. Imagine you're dreaming of a romantic getaway to Paris. A quick search shows a first-class flight on Air France costing over $7,000. That's a hefty price tag. But with points, the story changes. By using your accumulated miles through the Air France KLM Flying Blue program, You could book that same luxurious flight for as little as 100,000 miles plus taxes and fees, or perhaps you're eyeing a transatlantic adventure to London on British Airways. A first-class ticket might set you back $10,000 or more. But with Avios, British Airways reward currency, you could snag that same flight for around 75,000 Avios plus fees. These are just a couple of examples showcasing how miles and points unlock extraordinary travel experiences at a fraction of the cost. By strategically accumulating and redeeming your rewards, you can indulge in the luxury of first-class travel without the first-class price tag. Maximizing your points and finding hidden gems. Earning points is just one part of the equation. To truly master the art of affordable luxury, you'll need some insider tips to maximize your rewards and unearth hidden gems. One strategy is to focus on earning sign-up bonuses. Many travel rewards credit cards offer substantial bonuses after meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months of card ownership. These bonuses can provide a significant boost to your points balance. Another tip is to leverage bonus categories. Many cards offer higher earning rates on specific spending categories like dining, travel, or groceries. By strategically using your card for these purchases, you can accelerate your point accumulation. When searching for award flights, flexibility is your best friend. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons or weekdays when demand is lower and award availability tends to be higher. Also, explore alternative airports. Flying into a smaller, less popular airport near your destination might open up more award seat options. Remember, the key is to be proactive and strategic. By staying informed about promotions, understanding your card benefits, and being flexible with your travel plans, you'll be well on your way to unlocking a world of luxurious travel experiences. Overcoming common hurdles. While the world of miles and points offers incredible travel opportunities, it's not without its challenges. Let's address some common issues and equip you with solutions to navigate them successfully. Limited award seat availability. One frustration can be finding available award seats, especially during peak travel times. Airlines allocate a limited number of seats for award bookings, so it's crucial to book in advance and be flexible with your dates. Consider alternative airports or travel dates, and use online tools that track award availability. Point transfer delays. Sometimes transferring points between different loyalty programs can take time, potentially causing booking delays. Always factor in transfer times when planning your trip and initiate transfers well in advance of your intended travel dates. Blackout dates and restrictions. Be aware that airlines may impose blackout dates or restrictions on award travel, particularly during peak seasons or for certain routes. Always check the terms and conditions of your loyalty program and be prepared to adjust your plans if needed. Remember, encountering challenges is a natural part of travel. By being informed, adaptable, and persistent, you can overcome these hurdles and enjoy the incredible rewards that await you. Your first-class adventure awaits. The world of affordable luxury travel is within your reach. By embracing the power of airline miles and points, you can unlock unforgettable experiences without breaking the bank. Remember the key takeaways from our journey. Utilize travel rewards credit cards to earn points on your everyday spending. Familiarize yourself with airline loyalty programs and maximize your earning potential. Be flexible with your travel dates and consider alternative airports to increase your chances of finding award seats. Don't be afraid to reach out to customer service for help with bookings or navigating program rules. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, it's time to take action. Start by researching travel rewards credit cards and identifying the one that best suits your needs. Then, dive into the fascinating world of airline loyalty programs and explore the possibilities that await you. Share your newfound wisdom with fellow travel enthusiasts and exchange tips for maximizing rewards. Together, we can create a community of savvy travelers who embrace the thrill of adventure without compromising on comfort or style. So go forth, explore, and experience the world in first-class style. You deserve it. If you like videos like this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of where you would like to travel.